Most people fail to build good habits not because they're lazy, but because they start too big. They try to go from 0 to running 5 miles a day or meditating for an hour, and within 2 weeks they burn out. What if I told you the real secret to building habits that last is to make them so small, so ridiculously easy, that you can't say no? Today, I'm going to show you how to use habit stacking, a science-backed method to lock new routines into your day without willpower, without motivation, and without feeling overwhelmed. A few years ago, I was trying to start journaling, bought a beautiful notebook, a nice pen, and it sat on my desk, untouched for months. I thought I needed discipline, but what I really needed was a better system. That's when I discovered the work of B.J. Fogg, a Stanford researcher who found that habits are easier to form when you anchor them to something you already do. It's called habit stacking, and it changed everything for me. Here's how it works. Instead of saying I'll journal every day, you pick something you already do consistently, like making your morning coffee, and you attach the new habit to it. For me, I decided, after I pour my coffee, I will write one sentence in my journal. Just one sentence. It took 20 seconds, and because it was tied to something I already did every day, it became automatic. That one sentence eventually turned into a full page, but the key was starting small. The science behind it is fascinating. Your brain loves patterns. Every time you complete an existing habit, it's like a little doorway in your mind opens. And if you slip a new habit through that doorway, it has a much better chance of sticking. Charles Duhigg, author of The Power of Habit, calls these cue behavior reward loops. The cue is the existing habit. The behavior is your new one. And the reward can be as simple as a mental check mark or a sip of your coffee. Here's a simple 3-step plan to start habit stacking today. Step 1. List 510. Habits you already do daily without fail. Brushing your teeth, checking your phone, brewing coffee. Step 2. Pick one small 30-second habit you want to add. It could be stretching, drinking a glass of water, or writing down one thing you're grateful for. Step 3. Create a clear formula. After an existing habit, I will new habit. Keep it tiny and specific. You can always expand later. When I started stacking habits, it snowballed. I added 2 push-ups after brushing my teeth. I took 3 deep breaths after locking my front door. These micro-habits seemed small, but over time, they built momentum and transformed my mornings. And this isn't just my story. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, has shared countless examples of people who used habit stacking to learn languages, exercise regularly, even write entire books. So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, write down one existing habit and stack something new onto it tomorrow morning. Then track it for a week. You might be shocked at how quickly it becomes part of your identity. If you try this, drop a comment below and tell me what your first habit stack will be. I read every single one. And if you want more science-backed strategies for building a life you're proud of, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Because in that one, I'm going to reveal why most morning routines fail and how to fix yours in under 10 minutes.